Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through an incredible, lazy side hustle powered by AI that's making people up to $950 a day. And the best part is, it requires very little effort. We're living in an age where AI tools can automate so much of the work, making it easier than ever to create a reliable income stream online. If you're curious about how you can use AI to earn big money from home, stick around, because I'll share 20 detailed steps to help you get started and maximize your earnings. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Identify your niche and target market first. You need to choose a niche. Since we're using AI tools, think about what markets have high demand for quick, content-heavy, or repetitive tasks. Popular niches include social media management, blog content, graphic design, transcription, and product descriptions. Focus on a niche with high demand to ensure a steady income stream. Step 2. Pick your AI tools. Once you know your niche, the next step is to choose AI tools tailored to it. For instance, use ChatGPT or Jasper for text generation, Canva or Midjourney for graphic design, Descript or Otter.ai for transcription, and Synthesia for creating video content. These tools have free or trial versions, so you can start without a big investment. Step 3. Sign up for freelance marketplaces. Create profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour, where clients are looking for help in various niches. Build a profile focused on AI-powered services. For example, if you're using AI for blog writing, label yourself as an AI-enhanced content creator. This makes you stand out and attract clients interested in quick, AI-driven results. Step 4. Build a portfolio with AI-generated samples. Before you begin, create some sample work to showcase your skills. Use the AI tools to generate high-quality samples that align with the services you want to offer. If you're offering blog content, create a few articles on popular topics in your niche. These samples help clients understand the quality of your AI-assisted work. Step 5. Set up an AI-powered social media presence. To attract more clients, set up social media accounts dedicated to your services on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Post samples, testimonials, or snippets of your work, and use keywords like AI-powered and automated content. Regular posts help build your brand and show potential clients that you're leveraging cutting-edge technology. Step 6. Offer AI content creation services. One of the most popular AI services is content creation. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions for clients. Many businesses need quick, affordable content, and AI can deliver. Charge per word or by project, and keep the price competitive to attract more clients. Step 7. Provide AI social media management. AI can also handle social media content creation, scheduling, and analytics. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer integrate with ChatGPT to automate posting, hashtag research, and even engagement tracking. Offer a package that includes content creation, scheduling, and basic analytics. Step 8. Sell AI-generated graphics. If you have a knack for design, use AI to create unique images, logos, and social media posts for clients. Tools like Canva or Midjourney allow you to generate high-quality designs in minutes. Market yourself as a designer who uses AI to create fast, affordable graphics. Step 9. Create AI-powered video content. AI-driven video tools, like Synthesia, can create professional videos quickly. These tools let you generate videos with virtual avatars, voiceovers, and subtitles. Offer video content services for clients needing explainer videos, tutorials, or social media clips. Step 10. Use AI for SEO optimization. For clients with websites, offer SEO services with AI tools like Surfer SEO or Phrase. These tools help optimize content, suggest keywords, and analyze competitors. Many business owners want better rankings, but don't know where to start, so this can be a valuable service. Step 11. Sell AI transcriptions and captioning. Businesses and content creators often need transcription and captioning. AI tools like Descript and Otter.ai can transcribe audio and video content in minutes. Offer transcription services for meetings, podcasts, or webinars. Step 12. Offer personalized email marketing campaigns. Use AI tools like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign for automated personalized email campaigns. AI helps design custom emails, create segmentation, and even suggest send times. Set up automated workflows for clients to save them time and increase their engagement. Step 13. Provide product descriptions for e-commerce. E-commerce stores constantly need product descriptions. Use AI like Jasper to write unique, engaging descriptions. You can even offer SEO-optimized product descriptions to help clients improve their online store rankings. Step 14. Automate data entry and basic research. Offer AI-based data entry or research services. AI tools like Zapier can automate repetitive tasks such as data transfer, sorting, and initial research. Many clients in finance, HR, and data analytics require these services, so it's a lucrative option. Step 15. Offer resume and cover letter writing. People often need help with job applications, and AI can write compelling resumes and cover letters. Use AI tools to create tailored applications quickly. Advertise your services as a resume enhancement to help clients stand out in their job search. Step 16. Provide chatbot customer service solutions. If a client needs customer support, offer an AI-powered chatbot setup using tools like ChatFuel or ManyChat. These chatbots can handle frequently asked questions, offer product suggestions, and improve customer service. You can offer the chatbot setup as a one-time or monthly service. Step 17. Sell automated market research reports. Businesses want to understand their market, but lack the time to research. Use AI tools like IBM Watson or Crimson Hexagon to generate market insights, competitor analyses, and trend reports. Charge for detailed, data-driven reports that help businesses make strategic decisions. Step 18. Generate AI-enhanced lead lists. For companies focused on sales, offer lead generation services. AI tools like LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, and Zoom Info help compile lists of potential clients or contacts based on specified criteria. Offer this as a one-time list or a monthly service. Step 19. Offer personalized AI-powered coaching. Use AI to help clients with personal growth or skill building. AI tools like Coach Accountable provide personalized coaching, reminders, and progress tracking. This can be great for fitness trainers, business coaches, or language tutors. So, there you have it. 20 powerful steps to create a highly profitable AI-driven side hustle that can potentially earn you up to $950 a day. Imagine working smarter, not harder, by letting AI handle the heavy lifting. This approach can help you focus on delivering quality, scaling your business, and building a steady income stream, all from the comfort of your home. The beauty of this AI-powered side hustle is its flexibility. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 schedule, and you don't need years of experience in any one field to start making money. AI tools are here to support you, helping you produce quality results in record time. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and keep creating. See you in the next video.